Yes, my name is Simona Margaritescu. I'm the mycology technician at the Royal Ontario Museum, Toronto. Royal Ontario Museum has a very nice collection of fungi. We have about 500,000 specimens in what it used to be called herbarium, because fungi have been long time associated with plants, although they're completely different organisms. And we have different kind of species. Now, when people say fungi, they usually think of molds, stuff that grows on your bathroom wall or on your cheese in the fridge, or mushrooms that they buy on the market to eat, or mushrooms that are poisonous. But actually fungi are a very large group. So there are lots and lots of fungi that are growing under our noses and we don't see them. They're little small, little black dots on the trees, on the leaves, in our mouth, in our gut. They're everywhere. They are associated with every other living organism in the world. So they're really everywhere. They're actually ruling the planet a little bit, probably along with the insects. According to the scientists, and I think it's pretty much true, the life on Earth wouldn't be possible without fungi. So nothing would have moved from the water onto the Earth unless the fungi would have colonized first and helped them. Because most of the plants that we see growing around, especially the trees, are associated with fungi in order to survive and grow better. Yes, it's incredible, but this is my first time at Rouge Park. I've been to the Toronto Zoo many times, but never crossed the road actually. And I'm very happy to be here. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. We sent a big group out in the wilderness, and they sent a first collection in, which meant several fungi that we had to process, but then they got completely lost. It isn't the fungal season basically for us, or I should say mushroom season. So it's not really the best time to collect mushrooms right now, but beginning of July. But June. But they went there. They had a blast. They found a lot of other things like slime molds, and they look at bracket fungi and other fungi. So they got excited, and I had to call them in and say, please, could you come in? Because once you're in, there'll be another couple of hours of processing the material. So,
and that's what people don't realize, is that documenting biodiversity is not just about going out into the field and saying this is this.
That's the fun part actually, and everyone loves it, and everyone wants to be in the field. And actually, even when you go in the field, you have to be aware that there are lots of details that you have to take in with the material that you're collecting. A lot of people bring just a mushroom and say, oh, what's this? Can you keep it in your collection? Well, it's great, but I have no information related to the location, the substrate it grew on. So all these things are very important. You can't have a serious herbarium based on just one mushroom brought in.
Rouge Park is
a fungal paradise.